Hey viewers, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. So today we're going to be working on this Nissan X-Trail. This is a T32 model, diesel engine. And the custom we can play it is a few warnings on the dash, and the fault codes are, so if we go to the engine, so water and diesel. So preheating, so we're gonna focus on the water in diesel detector, and then also the electric pump at the moment, and then engine coolant low temperature, which is related to this pump as well. So we're gonna focus on these three fault codes, so P16C 0-98, P028-13, and then P2264-13. So I've checked this circuit. So there was a fuse feeding the actual the coolant pump, the electric coolant pump. Also feeds the fuel filter. So the sensor. So this sensor here, which is the water in diesel detector. And then the fuse is this one here, first row, the middle one. So you've got one 15 amp, the second one, which is the one that we're going to be working on, which is another 15 amp, and then the last one on this first section, which is a 10 amp. So 15, and 10 amp. So sure enough, the fuse on the IPDM was obviously blown. If we put the fuse back in there, straight away blows the fuse. Let's grab the meter. Let's check the wiring diagrams and see where this goes, how this circuit works, and then go from there. So a quick look on the wiring diagram. So we are working between this sensor and this fuse, and then we're gonna see what's going on. We need to check this wiring loom, and it feeds this red wire. So, and as you probably can hear it, we are definitely shorted to ground. I also have used this snap-on oscilloscope, not a sponsor, but it's always good, because after this we're gonna do a wiggle test on the wiring loom, and if we it's easier to trace it down, so bear with me. Right guys, so our wiring loom is obviously from the fuel filter, and goes all the way down and goes to this connector here, down there under the coolant reservoir, and then goes all the way through this and goes under the battery trade and goes to the electric pump on the actual wheel arch. So gonna put you here. Just gonna wiggle some wires. Hopefully you can see both. And then, so yeah, like I said, I'm back probing this red wire on the fuel filter sensor. And then let's see if we can find out our short to ground somewhere. So I'm just gonna start wiggling some wires. Let's see. Oh, hello. Literally, what I did was remove the coolant reservoir. Apparently our short is somewhere here on this. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Look at that. You see that? Look what's happening on the resistance on the graphic. Look at that. So that's definitely our short to ground. Basically, what I'm just doing this. Right, I'm gonna take this apart, this wiring loom apart, and see what we can find. And there we have it, guys. We found our short to ground. It's down there. I'll put a picture on the video actually showing this properly. So we're gonna take this wiring loom or harness apart and repair this wire. So that's it, guys. That's the repair done. And once again, I did put a little, some sort of stickers on the actual body to obviously not, to this issue not happen again. And that is about it. So now we're gonna put everything back together and retest. It's all back together. I've replaced the fuse as well. Straight away we can see that we no longer have the symbol water in diesel symbol. We can see that is gone. And if we go and read the DTCs, and then we are gonna erase all the DTCs, clear all the codes, complete it, and then recheck. So no faults found. So let's see on our dashboard. The vehicle is not running, and we don't have any DTCs on the engine control module. Yeah, those 203 codes related to the water in diesel, and then electric pump as well. So as we saw on the wiring diagram, they are connected together, so they share one feed, and that feed comes from a fuse on the IPDM. So we diagnose it as a short to ground, blowing the fuse on the IPDM, and then it was just a case of tracing down the short to ground. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.